a bit quiet.
I thought it was actually hangmanning then.
That's on the floor.
This one is as well. I thought it started hangmanning then because of the noise it was making. Is the train in yet? See, like that one's just like dragging it down to the floor because the skirt's all bent on the end.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a double straight.
It might be. Look at this one.
What do you double stay? Because the 175 is staying on 35 to 41.
Craven arms level crossing YN barrier. Could you see the train?
No.
It's coming from down, like from Ludlow. Well, not from Ludlow, but from somewhere down Ludlow. No, it's from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly, I think.
Yeah, no. It doesn't leave it till 31, so there's a double stay.
It might do.
Double stay. So
It could double stay. I'm not 100% sure.
So the steam will probably come in first.
No, they won't because it's expected at 31.
Yeah, but it'll probably stay down after that train comes through.
I see something in the station.
Oh yeah, that's the train that is.
Wait, no, I think it will double stay.
Yeah, because it leaves it at 31. Yeah, I think the steam will come through first.
So we'll get the steam after the. Well, I don't even know if it's a steam to be honest with you. It's just a rail. All I know that it's just a Railtour. Both barriers on the floor. I reckon I'll do the. I don't know if it rather do the Brayford or
It'll probably be a steam in 37.
I don't know, or 40. I reckon it'll be a 47. I can see something. I see something down there.
Yeah, it's the one. It's probably the. It's coming now, isn't it? Yeah, there's something.
Is it coming though? It's been down for a couple of minutes now.
I would be surprised if the steam comes through first, to be honest. Yeah, because it's staying there until 31.
No, that one's meant to be going at 26.
26? Oh, I
Yeah,
thought it
it's
said
28 now.
31. I think
With this steam train's expecting 3 minutes.
yes, it will probably stay down then, won't it?
Yeah, I reckon.
Or it would probably go
Well, say if it went up
and
now, then it'll be
down
just
again.
doing the Brayford.
Yeah. Or emergency treatment. Yeah, that'd be fun. Yeah, it's coming now.
Is it? I can't see
I
it.
don't see it moving. I see it.
What is it? Is that 175? But it says on the automatic trade, it's a 175. It looks like a 156.
Yeah, it's 175, 114.
Oh, it's coming now.
Yeah.
It's hard to see the phone because the sun's in the way. I thought we accidentally went to ultra wide then. Here it is. It might go back up.
I would be surprised if my phone stopped recording.
Let's sit him now if I go off because
double
the signal's not clear.
Double say. Oh no. Right, we're gonna have one's really quiet.
As long as SP exposed you get, aren't they? Wait. Signal should go clear now. There you go. See that signal dropping then? I think there's 2 Railtours, isn't there?
There's a siding by you. Is that for any floats or something?
I'm not sure. Look how loose this wire is as well. It's loose, isn't it? It's because the barrier's like on the floor. And it's dragging it down again, so it just made this more looser.
I hope my phone doesn't stop recording.
Oh. My one shouldn't, because I've never had that and I hope I never will.
It did once when I was...
Touch wood, it's never happened to me.
Happened to me a couple of times.
It's a shame that we can't do, what do you call it, you know, Marshbrook? Because there's not, normally we'd have to get a bus there, but there's barely any on a Saturday. So it's on a weekday, most buses are. After this one, there's nothing for half an hour.
I really hope this streams up. So if it's streamed, it would be a stream in 37. So. You've got a pen in your pocket.
It might double stay after because there's a train at 1100. There's one at 1103, so I think that'll. I reckon that will double stay.
Yeah, I'll stay.
Well, the what's it called? The 1100's going towards Shrewsbury, and the 1103's go towards Llanelli and Milford Haven. Then it will definitely double stay.
Yeah.
Well, the other way around, it might be just doing the Brayford. This didn't really do the break. It set off like 3 minutes after. Right, look, it's 47. I don't know actually.
The next one might be steam, to be honest.
Anything behind it?
As I start recording. Be about 5 minutes.
Are they really meant to be going in that field?
What?
Are they really meant to be going in that field?
I don't see why they can't.
Trespassing, because don't forget the gates.
Trespassing.
Yeah, but that's why it's the gate locked then, isn't it?
Yeah, but it just goes through the train. So I don't see a problem.
I don't know, to be honest. You've got one. Actually, I wasn't really expecting it to set off yet, to be honest.
As soon as I started calling,
It set off early though, because the train don't depart for till 1100. It's 10:56. I've got 4 minutes until it departs.
yeah, but I think it's always
Unless we're down for something else.
probably not.
It ain't double sustained because that signal's on red. Yo, Glom looks very mouldy, mossy, isn't it? It's an old one. Is it? These barriers were fitted in 2010, and look at the state of them now. Yeah. I wonder if there's an RS.
Here?
I don't
I
know.
think they were NRS, like tramming. I think they were NRS.
Oh, tramming's been upgraded now, hasn't it?
Yeah, it was upgraded last year at some point.
If tramming was still what's it, I probably would have actually gone to film that. I do want to film Pembury Port and Kidwelly before they upgrade that.
My friend from Pembury and Berryport says it's been upgraded apparently.
I fucking hope it hasn't.
Apparently it's been upgraded.
Well, they didn't really say on the online or anything, because normally they post something online, like the Clandover, when they upgraded that, they put something online saying that they're renewing it. It's in the station now. Oh, I hope we get a DVT today.
Maybe, you never know.
I don't know, we might not.
Now, is it the diesels coming through or the steamer? I don't, to be fair. Oh, well, I was told 12:38.
The steam already didn't come through till 12
That's the diesel, is it?
What about 15 minutes?
I don't think it's steam, I think it's probably diesel.
It's diesel, do
Yeah, because we filmed a Railtour a few minutes ago.
One's already gone through.
Right,
Yeah,
okay.
one's already gone through, and there's another one.
Diesel at what time?
11,
12 minutes past 11.
11, 12.
12 minutes past. We've got plenty of time, we can put them in the train station. But we can't now, because we're the wrong side.
I don't know why they set this crossing off so early though. It's a bit. Well, it should be departing now. Where's the Railtour? It's coming from that way, so I might as well just film this side
It's
again.
probably moving to now, probably.
Also, we could do. We might go up and straight back down again, so I'll film that side. Just try and keep out the sun, cause the sun it kind of ruins the video, doesn't it? The sun.
Crossing Cottage.
My film Portmadoc tomorrow because the lines are back on now between Parlock and Bohelly. So I might film Port tomorrow. I know I've filmed it loads of times, but I may as well.
Right, it's left.
It's not like there's anywhere else I can go.
Ryan. It's strange that if these were fitted in 2010, they don't put the Unicart rail sticker on the thing.
What, on the light, on the back?
Yeah, here it is. Yes, for the car.
It's gonna go off, isn't it?
110,
Yeah.
113.
It's just gonna go up and right back down again now. Time of it. At any time now, it's gonna go right back down again.
a normal service before the steam train.
Signal's just dropped.
Oh yeah.
So we've got this one,
I
and
just
after
hope this doesn't stop recording.
it shouldn't do.
No, I hope this doesn't stop. Yeah. That's mouldy. That's mouldy.
Oh, the plate's come off that.
Yeah, I know.
Is it on the floor? It still says it in there.
No, there's nothing there.
723.
Is this the same one going to come back again?
Well, according to go to the gentleman.
He's changing the engine.
Well,
isn't
you
he?
don't need to be inspecting the light.
Shouldn't stop recording.
This had the steam though.
Yeah, so it's what? Yeah, maybe you never know.
Is the other signal changed though? Because if the other signal's green, that means it's going to double stay. But if there's only one, that means it's just going to stay down for one train.
Will I see it from here?
You might do. You might see the it should be down like that one up there. Is it green?
There you go, boys. They'll pull into the siding tonight, and they'll have a tanker here for the water to topping up the water.
Here it is. It's here now. I think this one's passing.
This one's 2 cars, isn't it?
Yeah.
They won't be double stay.
Right about now.
No, well, we're on top of the
This is the Railtour.
We'll see the steam if it's a steam train.
This should be a short closure. It's from there.
From there, so it comes through this way.
Where's it going? Chester? No, it's going from Chester, isn't it?
No, it's going to Chester.
Oh,
It's from Bristol Temple Ridge, isn't it?
yeah. Well, I thought it was only going to be one Railtour today, but it's good that there's two.
Yeah, this is definitely steam then. Because remember them on Facebook
Huh?
that it was a 45 steam. They said the name of it, so it's definitely a steam train.
Yeah, it should be. There's something saying about the other one though that it's been held by diesel. Oh, I see steam. Is this a steam
Oh
train?
yeah, it's steam. It's steam. Wow. There it comes. It'll be for about 5 to 10 seconds. It'll be going through Craven station, won't it?
Mhm.
Is there a double stay for this one?
You see the steam down there. I doubt it'll double stay because I don't think there's anything else coming. Actually, do you know, I have no idea because I haven't really checked. When this goes up, I'll check real-time train and see what's next.
I see it.
Ellis was saying he didn't want to film the steam train here because he thought the barrier would be in the way. How's it in the way?
Yes. Alright. It's got lights.
Oh, I see it. Where is it? There it is.
That's not good. What train did you say this one was now? 150.
Yeah, I think so. This cord needs to be shortened down a bit 'cause it's too long. That's why it's hanging. It might be in the station now actually. I think they set it off as soon as it's in the station.
It's already gone. Oh.
That way. Is it in the platform? I can't see from it 'cause the signal box is in the way. Train should have left 3 minutes ago. Yeah. Yeah, the other signal down there is just that's gone green because there's only one train coming. I think you'd know if it's double staying because the both would go green. That one, it is. He's doing the signals first. Actually, was not even expecting it to go off. Oh, it's just soon to the wrong signal. To be fair, it has set off a bit early because it's saying on Railtour trains that it hasn't gone through Church Stretton. It's one thing, just don't listen to Railtour trains because it's not always fucking right. So this is the last closure now, and then we're getting the next train back to Shrewsbury. Well, it's late, but hopefully it doesn't get any later, because if it does, we're in fucking shit then. So, get that train back to Shrewsbury, and then we'll have to get another train from Shrewsbury back to Mac. Oh, and then I'll try to get, I think I'm getting picked up at back from Mac to Barmouth, because there's a bus, the bus is for another an hour and a half when we get back, because the railway's shut. It's just stupid. It's hoping for a freight train or something today, but he did say there's one expected at 11:10, but that's never showed up. You know, it's 12:08. It says it's 12:03, but it's late. And then after this one, we have a probably half-hour wait. It is. Revs a bit when it gets up.